Hi Dress It Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a back to school cat backpack. So let's get started. To draw this cute backpack, let's first start by drawing the cat ears. So I'm going to come right here and I'm just going to go up, round off my tip, and bring down a soft curve about there, and then I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. So I'm just going to bring this across, say about this wide, and draw the same thing. So I'm creating that curve at the bottom of the ear because that's the top of our backpack. So I'm going to bring this down lower so that I can continue this curve. So just keep that in mind. We just want to draw a curve coming down. There. So now that I have that in, I'm going to continue this curve down to create the shape of my backpack. So I'm going to bring this down. Same thing here. Nice full backpack. And bring it down lower. And let's see here. Let's keep going. A nice full backpack. And about right there, I'll bring it in and round it off. So this was totally inspired by a little plush bag that I saw when I went shopping. It was just so cute. It was just a cat, little bag with a cat, and you put stuff in it. And I thought, oh, let's just make that into a bigger backpack and add more stuff to it. Okay, so now that we have that, we're going to, let's see here, I'm going to make the backpack fuller. So I'm going to come right here and I'm going to go up and draw a curve. So we're just kind of, as if we're seeing the top of our backpack, we're going to bring this curve over just so we know it is a backpack, and then continue that curve down and taper in. There, so created that shape, and then I'm going to come back in here towards the center and just draw a line, another curve, kind of following. So this is where it opens up. Bring this through and just taper it in. We'll make this line a little bit thicker. And same thing, bring it down. And in. There. And if you like, you can even add a little zipper here. So I just add this little shape right here. And then I forgot about that. I should have stopped and done that first. But I have my handy whiteout pen, so I'll just go in there and erase that. Just add a little tab. Not a big deal if you don't add it. Okay, so now that we have all that, let's bring this cat backpack to life. So I'm going to come to the top, towards the top right here, and I'll draw some circles for draw so cute eyes. So one, and then I'm coming right across, right underneath the other ear, about right there. Draw another circle, and let's make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. So now that the eyes in, I'm going to come to the top of each eye and just draw a soft curve. And then in between the eyes, I'm going to come back to right here in the center, give myself a point, and from there I'm going to draw two curves coming out. So this is nice and simple for the mouth and nose. Just two little curves. There. And then we're going to come to the sides right here where the eye is and just draw two whiskers and thicken them up. So same thing here, right here, and here. Okay, so now that I have all that, let's come back to the bottom right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and draw, let's see, draw a big circle here for the feet. So about right here in this corner using this curve. I'm just gonna come in here and just draw this big circle. Oops. There, right into that space. So same thing here. There, 2 big circles. And then I'm going to come in and draw an oval right here. And 3 circles. There, and so same thing over here. There, and then from there, let's go ahead and I'm going to spruce it up more. So right underneath the eye, I'm going to come right here and draw a curve for a paw. And come in here with 2 small little lines, and same thing over here, right underneath the eye. And then this hand I'll have, let's see, holding a pencil. So I'm going to come right in here and draw an angle line all the way down, thicken it up, and then at the bottom squiggle a little bit, connect it. For a pencil, add a little point right there, and then of course add a eraser, a little line there. And then let's add a piece of paper. So let's say about right here, I'm just going to angle, come through a rectangular piece of paper. Just follow that angle that you created and connect everything. And then I'll add 3 little dots so we know it's paper, right? Like, and let's see here, you can add some lines if you want. It's all up to you how much detail you want to put. And I'll add, let's see here, I'm going to add a heart right here on the paper. There. And let's see if I'm missing anything. That is pretty much it. Well, you can also come in here, you know what? Add another layer for the inner part of our ear. That way we can add some color. And that is pretty much it. I really hope you love this back to school cat backpack that I was inspired by this little plush bag that I saw when I was shopping. And I really hope I helped you draw it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.